Hello, my dear brothers and sisters of Islam. I'm expecting you all are in a safe mode in your own respective houses. Anyway, this blissful Ramadan is unique and amazing. There may be restrictions in gathering in masjids. There is no restrictions in the congregational prayers in our own home. There are unique opportunities in this specific Ramadan 2020, reaching out of poor and needy from the comfort zone of our own home by donating online. We have a lot of time in engaging in worship prayers. Might be the most of the states in India and the various countries are in lockdown, but actually the shaitan is under lockdown. The gateway of paradise is opened. Iftars might be slightly different, but it will be unique. We have a chance to shine to our loved ones. There is a famous quote of our Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, "Khayrukum khayrukum li ahli." Best among us, one, he or she is best to his family members. Here is a lovely opportunity to us. Just do a phone call to your loved ones and inform we are missing you. As we all are in our respective homes, we have a chance to lending a helping hand to our mother by cleaning symbol. And also Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam taught us there are two blissful things in the world that might be cheated or betrayed us. One is our free time and other one is healthy period.
So in this series we are talking about various things about Quran. Actually, Quran guides us to the straightest path ever we find. This we can understand from the ideal words of Quran. Inna hadha al-Qur'ana yahdi lillati hiya aqwam. The Holy Quran guides us to the straightest path, not straight paths ever we find.
Also gives a good tiding to those who believe and do good fortunes that they have a greater rewards from Allah, the Creator. وَيُبَشِّرُونَ الْمُؤْمِنُونَ الَّذِينَ يَعْمَلُونَ الصَّالِحَاتِ أَنَّ لَهُمْ أَجْرًا حَسَنًا. From these words we can understand that believers have a glad tiding. My dear brothers and sisters in Islam, this Quran is sent to us to read and recite and reflect and to ponder over it. From the words Kitabun anzalnahu ilayka mubarakun liyadabbaru ayatihi wa liyatadhakkara ulul albab. This book has sent to us to recite, to read and to reflect and to ponder over it. That is the intention of Allah, to send this Holy Quran to us. Holy Quran contains 114 chapters, and also the Quran contains very small stories telling about various Anbiya, various prophets, makes the readers more interesting. Also we couldn't find even a mistakes or a transformation like that in Quran, because the Quran is a complete guidance to us. We can understand from the first word of Quran, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, from the first letter Ba and the last letter Al Jinnati wan Nas, from the last word Sin. When we collaborate the first Ba and Sin, we get Bas, means the Quran is a perfect one, meaningfully, lyrically and in every aspect. Inshallah we can talk more about Quran. If you don't subscribe our channel, please subscribe in here in this red bell icon, and inshallah we can speak more about Quran. Thank you for watching the channel Media Kerala.